Am I the only one who thought robot upgrades were plug and play? Think again. This is part 1. The foundation. Problem: your robot's body limits speed. Problem: it limits cooling. Problem: it limits sensor placement. This causes overheating. This causes missed reads. This causes sloppy work. Fix. Step 1. Assess the frame. Check load points. Check mounting holes. Mark weak spots. Step 2. Modularize. Swap fragile panels. Install reinforced, lighter composite panels. Cut weight without losing strength. Step 3. Reroute wiring and ducts for airflow. Keep high-heat components away from sensors. Step 4. Standardize mounting rails for add-ons. Use indexed fasteners so parts repeatably align. Finally, document everything. Take clear photos, record torque values, log firmware mappings. That's part 1, solid body foundations. Part 2, powertrain and cooling, coming next.